Gardeners frequently wonder, why are there cucumbers and squash dropping flowers without setting fruit? Well, the reason why depends on several factors, especially which kinds of flowers are dropping. To further explain, crops that belong to the cucurbit family, also known as the vine crops, are distinguished by having separate male and female flowers, and usually you have both types on the same plant. The cucurbits include cucumbers, squash, pumpkins, and melons. The male flowers provide the needed pollen for fruit production, but then they dry up and fall from the plant after they shed their pollen. So it's perfectly normal for the male flowers to drop. The first flush of flowers early in the season tend to be all male. The female flowers produce the fruit, and you can see what looks like a small fruit below the petals. If these are the flowers that are dropping, then it's likely due to a lack of pollination. Bees are critical to the cucurbits because they transfer pollen from the male flower to the female flower. So low bee population, extreme hot weather, and unfortunately the use of insecticides will all suppress bee activity. No bees, no fruit. For more information on growing cucurbits, visit Purdue Extension online.